Are you in the club?
This is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to be opening up a total of 16 different items in this video, which includes 6 Play-Doh eggs, 8 blind boxes, and 2 Kinder Surprise eggs. Now we're going to start this video off by opening up this Play-Doh egg right here in the front row. And before I open up this Play-Doh egg, I'm kind of curious to know which egg do you guys like the most. For me, I think I like this one over here that's far off to the left side. I really like those pinstripes on that Play-Doh egg, but let's go ahead and get this one opened up and we will see what we get inside. And it looks like we have an egg inside of an egg, and this is going to be Sonic the Hedgehog buildable figures. I've had a lot of requests for Sonic, and I mean a lot of requests. So we're going to open this up, and we may have one more Sonic item in this video. And it looks like we have Knuckles. Go ahead and get this taken out of the bag and we will get him put together. And here is our Knuckles with his giant fists of fury and his boots with the little straps on the top. That's a pretty neat character, one of my favorites from the Sonic series. Next up, let's go ahead and open up a blind box. Now this is going to be a Sailor Moon blind box. I had one request for this. I saw the comment. I went on eBay and looked these up, and I thought they looked really neat. So for the one person that asked for this, here you go. And it looks like we're gonna have to put this one together. And it looks like it has a base too, so I'll go ahead and get it put together and we'll see what it looks like. And here is our Sailor Moon character, and it's got this really nifty piece that connects into the back of her head to keep her on the base. That is really neat. I really like this blind box. We may have to do more of these, and I guess according to the box, this is Sailor Jupiter. I am not familiar with the Sailor Moon characters, but I really like how these look, so that's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and set that down. Thank you to the subscriber that requested that. That was definitely worth picking up. Next up, let's go ahead and open up a How to Train Your Dragon 2 Mystery Mini. We've opened one of these so far. Again, this is a series that I'm not really familiar with. I haven't watched either one of those two movies. But we did have a couple requests for these, so let's go ahead and get it opened up. If I can get it out of the bag. And we got a dragon this time. Wow, that's a neat looking dragon, isn't it? Looks a fiery red dragon. He's actually kind of pointy too. Nothing's too sharp on here, but that's going to look really nice in a display case. Now these again do not have odds, like individual odds. They're all a 1 in 12 chance, and again I think if you buy the entire case you'll get all of them. The one that I'd really like to get is the two-headed dragon that's right there. Hoping that we'll get him eventually. But there you go, there is our dragon, which has a NV022 on the bottom of his foot. Go ahead and set that down. Let's go ahead and open up another Play-Doh egg. Let's grab this one way back here in the back. Now if you guys watched the video that I did yesterday of the playset, of the Magic Fundo playset, you already know where these string Play-Dohs came from. And we got a Littlest Pet Shop surprise pack. Now these do not have a tear strip, so I have to get my friend Mr. Scissors for these. And we got this one. Looks like we got a shark that's smiling. You don't see too many sharks that have a smile on their face. It's got a cupcake tattoo on the side and big giant shiny eyes. And that might be my favorite Littlest Pet Shop collectible that I've seen so far. I really like that purple shark. Purple's my second favorite color, so we'll go ahead and set that off to the side. Next up, let's open up this Unicorno Series 2 blind box. Now this was the one that we got last time, and that's going to be my favorite one that I've pulled out of one of these boxes so far. And of course I set him down on his side. We definitely like to knock stuff over on this channel. And let's see what we get. These have the shiny Toki Doki foil wrappers on them. And we got a duplicate. So this is gonna be Cheetah, and we've actually already pulled that one out of the box a couple weeks ago. And what I'm gonna do for you guys, since we just got a duplicate, I'm gonna open another one of these. So here's gonna be another one. We're gonna just go ahead and rip this right open, because I don't want to disappoint you guys with duplicates. So hopefully this one's not going to be a duplicate. And we got a new one. So this is going to be one of the ones that I wanted to see. This is Zomba, which is the zebra. Now, one interesting thing about this one is he does not have the little unicorn horn on the front of him like all the rest of them do. In fact, he might be the only one that does not have the unicorn horn. I think he is. And I don't even want to set this one down. I'm just mesmerized by the colors on this one. This one just looks so good. I'm kind of curious, which one do you guys like more? Do you like the rocking horse one, or do you like the zebra more? I'm not sure which one I like more between those two. I like them both so much. Let's go ahead and set those down. Let's go ahead and open up another Play-Doh egg. So we're going to take the pink Play-Doh off here first. Take the little swirl off. This is the sticker transfer that I've showed you guys in the previous video. And what do we have inside of here? It looks like we have the Simpsons Lego minifigures. I love these things. I've gotten about half of the characters so far, but I'm still looking for Bart. And who did we get this time? It looks like we got Mr. Burns. And I'm dropping them all over the place, so I'll go ahead and get them put together and we'll see what he looks like. So here is our Lego Mr. Burns put together with his upside down fish tank, which I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that way or not. But we actually got this one a few months ago, so what I'm going to do for you guys yet again is I'm going to open another one. We're going to open one more of the Lego Simpsons. Let's see who we get this time. And we got another duplicate. So this is going to be Marge. I'll go ahead and get her put together real quick and I will show her to you guys. And here is Marge put together with her donut fancy box and her purse. So that's what Marge looks like. Go ahead and set her down right next to Mr. Burns. Now let's open up a fun one. This is my favorite blind box to open. These are the Chaos Bunnies, which are made by Jed Ledbetter, I believe. It's Kid Robot. And where's our tear strip? There it is. Got another new one. So here's another one. And it looks like his eyes are actually on his ears. And there goes one of his ears off to the side. And here he is with his ears and eyes put on. And this is the Monster Bunny. And he is a 1 in 17 chance. He's right there, 1 in 17. So he's a little bit harder to get than some of the other ones. He's drooling right there on the side of his mouth. Not a lot of detail on the back of this one. The blue one had the snowflakes on them on the back. So there is our Monster Bunny. We'll go ahead and set him off to the side. And let's open up this Kinder Joy egg. Let's see what we got in here. And there we go. It went rolling out, but we got a Smurf. At least half of a Smurf it looks like. Let's try to get the other half here. Let's snap this thing together. And there is our Kinder Joy Smurf. I do not know the name of that Smurf though. Let me see if the paper says his name. I'm willing to bet that it doesn't. And it does not say his name, just has a picture of him. But those are going to be some of the other ones that you can collect. And let's open up the Kinder Surprise Egg while we're at it. Let's go ahead and see what we got. This one doesn't want to open up. There we go. And it looks like we got a vehicle. This one's going to be a new one for me. It looks like a monster truck. Have not gotten this one. Now the neat thing about the monster trucks is the wheels will actually move on these, so you can raise them up. And still trying to, there we go, snapped in place. There is our monster truck. That's a really glossy, shiny one. Even the tires are shiny on that one. That one's pretty cool. That might be the coolest monster truck that we've gotten so far out of a Kinder Egg. Very neat. Go ahead and set that off to the side. And let's open up the Disney Vinylmation. This is the 3-inch collectible Disney figure. You can get these from Disney World or on eBay, which is where I've gotten it. I've never been to Disney World myself. And let's see. Oh, nice. Look at that one. That one's really colorful. So we got Maria Klapsis is the artist of this one. I don't think these actually have names. It just has the name of the person that made it. There's our red and black and orange Mickey Mouse. Man, that one looks nice. Look at that. That's just so colorful. And those colors really go nice together. The red and the black and the orange. It almost looks kind of like a Halloween Mickey. But there's nothing really scary about that one other than maybe his saw blade eyes. Those are a little creepy. But other than that, he's pretty nice looking. Let's go ahead and set that down. Now, this is something that I made myself. This is a wrapped box, and the reason why I wrapped it was because you guys were going to be able to see what it was right away if I didn't. We have my favorite Sonic character. I like Knuckles. Knuckles is one of my favorites, but Tails is my favorite Sonic character. And I've had so many requests to do Sonic stuff that I decided, you know, we'll do a couple in this video for you guys that have requested it. So here is our Tails out of the box. As you can see, it's got a lot of color and a lot of detail on it. It's got some polish shininess to it. And the color, pretty much the paint on it's in really good shape. It's not bled over, it's not runny or anything like that. So that's a really nice collectible. Go ahead and set that off to the side. Now let's open up this black Play-Doh egg with these smiley faces on it. Go ahead and get these off. Get the Play-Doh off. We have a blue egg in here. And what do we have? We have a Care Bears surprise pack. So we've done a couple of these so far. And there is our Care Bear. Looks like we got Tenderheart. He's the one obviously with the big giant red heart on his tummy. And he's got a little heart on his back or his butt, whatever that is. I can't tell if that's his back or his butt that it's on, but either way it's a heart. Go ahead and set that one down. We haven't gotten a lot of duplicates of those. And actually, I was gonna grab my favorite Play-Doh egg, but let's get this one out of the way first. This one's got the 3 eyes and the red Play-Doh and these little tiny shiny circles on it. Go ahead and get this Play-Doh off here. And what is this? This is gonna be something brand new. Have not shown this on the channel. We did do some Ninja Turtle dog tags, but they were a different series. These are the brand new ones that go with the new movie. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. And inside, oh wow, we got a holographic one. Get this plastic off. I'm actually excited about this one. Look at that. Wow, that one is so nice. I wonder if that one's like a rare. That's one of 24. That's the first one in the entire series. I'm wondering if that's like a hard one to get. It certainly looks like it. Because the other dog tags that I've shown you guys here on the channel didn't look anything like that. That is beautiful. Next up, let's open up the Marvel Labbit series. So I'm still looking for Spider-Man and Iron Man in this set. We've gotten a few of the other characters, but still missing some of them. And there's our tear strip. Oh, gotta be careful because the card was right there. And it looks like we got another Hulk. So since we got the Hulk in one of the last videos, I'm gonna go ahead and open up another one for you guys. So here's yet again another Marvel Labbit. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. And if we get another Hulk, I'm gonna scream. Okay, we got a new one. This is gonna be our Wolverine. Yeah, this is definitely a new one that we have not shown yet. And I just realized we do a lot of blind boxes that involve rabbits. I mean, this is a rabbit, that's a rabbit back there. They just call it a bunny. So there's our Wolverine. Go ahead and set him down. And speaking of rabbits and bunnies, let's go ahead and open up our final Chaos Bunny. Let's see what we got. And we got the one that's got the little bird that's supposed to come with it, but actually there's nothing else in there. And there's nothing else inside the box other than the card. That's interesting. Right, here's the inside of the box. There's nothing else in there. So, wow, I'm kind of speechless on that. We got a Chaos Bunny that did not come with his ears. But we did show this one last week or the week before, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Man, that's crazy that the ears weren't inside of there. That's kind of disappointing. We'll go ahead and set that back there. And let's go ahead and open up the final Play-Doh egg. So again, this one was my favorite one that I decorated. This one actually took the most time too. Let's see if I can take these strings off without mixing it up too much with the other Play-Doh. That's not too bad. And let's get the blue Play-Doh off. And we have a My Little Pony Series 10 surprise pack. We love showing these on the channel, and so far you guys seem to really enjoy them, so we'll keep doing them as long as you want to see them. And we got Fluttershy. Oh, there she goes. So here is our Fluttershy. She's got really long hair. Here's kind of a comparison to this other one that we opened up a few weeks ago. And the yellow and the pink really look good together. She's got a ton of glitter on her. I think out of all the My Little Pony surprise packs, the Series 10 ones, in my opinion, look the best. Because they put so much glitter on them. And the way that they designed them, like you can kind of see through it a little bit, but it looks really good. The colors always look really good on there. Here's kind of another comparison of the two. That's a yellow and orange. So they look kind of similar. It's almost like a pink. It's like a pinkish orange. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to press the like button below the video. That does help support the content on this channel. And if there's a specific blind box or a specific surprise pack that you want to see more of in next week's video, be sure to comment below. We do read the comments and we do take those into consideration when making these videos. This is Disney Cars Toy Club, and as always, thanks for stopping by.